That satisfying pop you hear? It's not your bones, it's gas bubbles escaping from your joints. Feels amazing, right? But here's the twist. If you're cracking your back occasionally and it's pain-free, you're likely in the clear. The problem starts if you're doing it constantly or feel discomfort. Repeated stress on your spine could weaken your joints and ligaments, setting you up for instability or long-term damage. So, should you stop? If it's just a habit, maybe ease up. But if you're cracking every day or feel pain, it's time to check in with a professional.